cool. A lot better than the rental car. Yeah. Hey, Joey, pleasure to meet you. Good to meet you.
Hi, Lara. Joey, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out today. Thanks for doing this.
Thanks.
Thank you for doing this.
Happy
we're going to have some fun.
Yeah, we're excited.
Awesome.
We actually met before. You're not going to remember. It was at the Hang 10 car wash.
Okay.
Outside of D.C.
Okay.
And we stood in the heat for like 2 hours in like 98-degree heat. And you
sat in the heat for like three. Yeah, it was a little toasty.
Remember that.
But
yeah, it's a pretty area up there, though.
Yeah.
So we were. Well, how did this come together then? Okay.
So 2 years ago, I was like, I got to take you to Daytona. She's like, why the heck would I ever want to go to Daytona?
You've never been to a race up to that point?
Not
Never been
at
to a
that
race.
point.
Okay.
And
No.
so we go down there and it pours rain for 3 days straight. And so the race got postponed. We had to get back to work. We get back up there. We watched it on TV. She's like, oh, this thing's pretty cool. And before we went, so I'm a Connecticut guy, so I was like, all right, you're going to root for this guy named Joey Logano. She's like, who is this guy? I was like, just trust me, root for this guy. It's a Connecticut thing. You got to root for him. So anyway, she hasn't missed a race since. And
really?
so that's it. Yeah.
Oh,
and then you won the first year that
you
she's
kind
a
of
race
spoiled.
fan,
You kind of
so.
spoiled us a little bit too,
good.
so it was good.
We raffled off this, or we auctioned off this
You should check
experience.
out. You should check out Joey's foundation and
Yeah.
So we said, well, let's bid on this amount of money.
Yeah.
And here we are.
Here you are.
So
Yeah.
happy to support.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to have a blast. We've done this a couple times now. So you both are going for a ride, right?
Yes.
If you're willing to take us both,
I'm willing.
let's do it.
All right.
Willing and able.
What's your safe word?
I don't need a safe word.
There we go.
If you want me to stop,
No.
I mean, just, I guess say it. I'm not sure it will, but.
So cool.
I assume there's not much rears left.
That was terrific. Thanks, brother. Man. So cool. A lot better than the rental car. Yeah. You guys gonna repaint this after we're done?
Yeah, we're gonna fill it all black.
Keep going, all of them will be dark.
Okay.
Pretty fun?
That was fun.
Oh, yeah.
You and that Mustang,
Oh,
me and my rental car.
That's awesome.
Coast Guard.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, thanks so much.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you so much. Good luck.
Yes.
Good luck.
Good.